In this milestone episode, we address a common challenge, the favorite side. At the Parentis program, we want to help you maintain balance, ensuring your comfort and a steady milk supply for the long term. Does your baby have a favorite side? While it might seem easier to stick with what's working, leaning too much on one breast can lead to lopsided supply and physical discomfort. Today, we're revealing the sliding trick to help a picky baby accept both sides and explaining why symmetry is the secret to preventing engorgement. Stay with us to learn how to keep your breastfeeding journey balanced and pain-free. Every breastfeeding journey is unique, and it is incredibly common to notice that your baby prefers one breast over the other. Perhaps they latch faster on the left, or you find yourself more comfortable holding them on the right. While it may seem easier to simply follow the baby's read, ensuring that both breasts are used and stimulated is crucial for long-term success. Maintaining a balanced milk supply and preventing discomfort requires a bit of strategy. It doesn't matter if your baby has a preference or if one side seems to produce milk more easily. Alternating is essential. Why do babies develop these preferences? Dr. Catalin Charley, neonatologist, pediatrician, and international board-certified lactation consultant, sheds light on the causes and offers a clever solution. I think you have to empty both breasts, but children often have a favorite side. They might like one better than the other, perhaps due to their position in the womb. While we don't always know the exact reason, we can use a little trick if a baby rejects one side. If they prefer the right breast, you can try to slide them across to the other side while keeping them in the same horizontal position. The baby may think they are still on their favorite side. The goal is to stimulate both breasts as much as possible to maintain a healthy supply. By using this creative positioning, you trick the baby's senses, allowing them to feel the same body contact they enjoy on their favorite side while they stimulate the other breast. Symmetry is about more than just convenience. By alternating breasts, you ensure steady production. Milk supply is regulated locally in each breast. If one isn't stimulated, the supply there will drop. Physical comfort. Regular emptying reduces the risk of painful engorgement or mastitis, inflammation of the breast tissue. Baby's development. Feeding from both sides encourages the baby to turn their head in both directions, which is great for their neck muscles and prevents flat spots. Remember, a little bit of patience goes a long way. If you stay persistent, your baby will soon become comfortable feeding from both sides, making the process smoother for everyone. You have learned an incredible amount about breastfeeding in these first 10 episodes. From the first latch to mastering the letdown, you are building a toolkit of knowledge that will serve you and your baby for months to come. But our journey doesn't end here. There are still many practical day-to-day topics to cover to keep you feeling prepared and relaxed. If you found this tip on alternating sides helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Parentis program. Coming up next, we move on to a very practical and sometimes messy part of the feeding routine, burping and spitting up. We'll see you in the next session. Please note that all the content of the Parentis program is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We encourage you to consult with your gynecologist, pediatrician, public health nurse, or physician regarding any topics covered here. Also, please ensure you read our legal statement.